That's my garage door. I put it on a video. So yeah. Hold on, let me see. Nathan, who does this? Wants to play outside. It's because I'm going to school today. And it's summer and it's hot. Alexa, what's the weather today? I know, it's 100 degrees out there. Well, I know. I'm gonna go get the something, whatever it's called. What? 105 degrees. Wow. That is not hideous. Hey everyone, welcome back to MoeTastic YouTube channel, and this is a lucky day because this is my first time doing makeup with you guys. To show you guys how to do makeup and yeah, blah 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 blah, and yeah. So this is what I got for shopping on my birthday. This is what I got for my birthday. It's very messy. And I'm gonna open it and see all the palettes. And as you can see, the names of the eyeshadows. But yeah, I know which color that you don't know is gonna do. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna open up this, and I'm not 5, I'm not 4, I'm not, so I am 6, and as you can see, I know this looks like a bathing suit because I'm going to school today, and it's summer and it's hot. And yesterday it was and I think you guys know this, but it was 107 degrees. So that's how hot it was. Okay, this lipstick is broken. My mom says this could easily break. Yeah, so I don't have good makeup supplies. So this and this. So this stuff is very good. I might need this. Yeah, I need all of these. So this is gonna look fabulous, I think. I don't know. So let's get everything ready, and yeah, I need all of these small brushes. The blue one is very messy. The blue eyeshadow that I got from my birthday. And also this is what it looks like in the inside. It's so dirty. And then, really. What? So yeah, let's get started with all of the stuff. First, we are gonna do eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, it's pretty good actually to me, but then it just turns out to me it's not. So we're gonna use this purple right here. And so we're gonna try it out. So I gotta stay very, oh gosh. Hey guys, stay very still. And yeah, I'm pretty good at makeup actually. And now we're gonna use, that's my garage door. I put it on a video. Nathan, he always does this. He wants to play outside. I know, it's 100 degrees out there. Alexa, what's the weather today?
It's 86 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for partly sunny weather with a high of 105 degrees and a low of 81 degrees.
105 degrees. Wow. Nathan! He's riding bikes. Just gotta stay very still. Trying to get the bottom here. Oh my gosh, I look very pretty. So now we are gonna add this little brush. Ugh, there's no towel. Really, I'm making a video. It's not good. And then here is this. It looks pretty clean. I ran out of the white. I need white. Just gonna stay very still. And looks like Elsa. And since Corona, I am getting very bored right now. So this might be a long video, but please watch it. So this might be, oh, that's purple. I was gonna use blue. Okay, this is a mess. What did I do to my eye? Look at it. Do you not like it? There's a purple. It's back. So this time we're gonna try the other eye. It's gotta look perfect. I cannot be an idiot. I know you guys are gonna say, what about the other eye? Looks good actually. Looks good. And now I'm gonna add a little purple. This little purple. Oh, come on. That car is so annoying. Okay, this looks really messy. I'm really bad at makeup now. I get mad. Get it off. Okay, done. So that's what my eye looks like. And so this is the makeup palette. So now we're gonna use a little of this brownie right here. And we're gonna use this brush to make it look, oh gosh. Okay, maybe I should use this. Why is this? I'm filming. Kind of look good. Nathan always plays toys out there. I haven't done my makeup in since like a while, but yeah, this is gonna look perfect. Not that you guys are saying that, oh, it's a horrible, don't say that. And now I'm gonna tap it. Tap, 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 tap. On my nose, on my nose, on my nose. Looks like a allergy. Tap, 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 tap. And now it is time for lipstick. So this looks pretty good actually. I'm so glad actually. Now we're gonna use this lipstick. I lost my other one. Okay, so that looks like enough. It's a little on the bottom or too much. So that's it for today, I guess. So make sure to subscribe and wait, what? Comment down below, give me a huge heart and a huge thumbs up. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ask my dad to make it the end. So I'm gonna go tell him, okay?